What's up, guys? Ian of Winter Does Stuff, and welcome to the first official huge milestone on this channel, reaction number 50. And to celebrate it, we have Okay Goodnight, The Fox and the Bird, the official title track for the upcoming Okay Goodnight album, The Fox and the Bird. I am very, extremely excited for this album because I feel that it could be one of the best of the year, if not the best, at least for me. We're going to get straight into it. Casey has said on Twitter, Insta, like every platform that she has, that this track is very different from pretty much everything else Okay Goodnight has put out. I've heard a lot of people saying it gives day and night and rebirth vibes from Limbo and Under the Veil. What's that word? Respectively, that's it. So we're gonna get into this thing, and I've seen like a clip of the animation on the OK Goodnight Instagram, and it is gorgeous. So we're gonna click play on this thing in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh yeah. Whoa, this animation. Ooh, okay. Okay. They were right. This is different. Pause. Holy crap. This is different. And this isn't even like day and night or rebirth different. This is different. Like, this is... Wow. This is really different. Like, I don't think I've heard Casey ever do this style of vocals. I think the only thing that is in any way similar to how Okay Goodnight normally is are the drums and the piano. Otherwise, the guitar is so much softer and lighter and more pure than it's ever been. Casey's vocal style, like, we all know that Casey, well, in my opinion at least, and in several others, Casey's voice is pretty much unique. Her tone is unmatched by any. Like, her voice is very distinct. And this is just so different. This style that she's going for is weird because it's not like anything she's ever done. Like in Ruby soundtracks, in the features of stuff that she's done, Last Surprise or the recent anime OP that she got into, like, this is so wildly different. And I suppose, seeing as it's about, creatures living in the wilderness, wild kind of fits. But let's keep going. Holy shit, this is so wild. Whoa, inverted colors. Nice.
Dauntless, whistle in the air. His wings grew thin. His spirit didn't care. A warm talk with words unspoken. The scorching sun, infatuated with.
Ooh.
Shall we stay inside our shell? The reaper takes his prey. The world will only darken with a candlelight.
The bear.
With you, I think I'll try to get to the other side.
Oh, chills. Oh, make that guitar sing, Martine. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Yo, that was sick. Holy shit.
Shall we stay inside our shell? The reaper takes his prey. Oh, the world will only darken without candlelight. With you, I think I'll try.
Whoa. Wow. Oh, there's so much I want to talk about. Whoa, let's go. Okay, so like the first thing I want to touch on is this animation. It is beautiful. Like, oh my god, there is so much that I love. That first of all, thank you for putting lyrics in. Great, wonderful, amazing. But the animation is so crisp and clear. It's so distinctive in its style. There's inverted coloring. There's flipping the colors that are there with the shades that are there. Oh, and what I really liked in the song is the bridge section. It got suddenly a little bit punchier, a little bit heavier, and oh, it was so satisfying. And the ending chorus switched up the vibe with Casey's vocals being a bit more powerful, but more attuned to her natural way of doing her vocals. That, you know, the more heavier style. Like, oh my god, there is so much to love here. Legitimately, I fucking love this. I will have this on repeat for days. Now, I do want to say, I'm wondering if this is the last single they'll put out before the album release, or if they will do another one. I do not know how long the album is, like how many tracks it has, and the runtime. I don't believe they've said that. Okay, Goodnight. I don't think they've said that anywhere. So I'm just gonna play it by ear on that. I don't think they need to, because I think The Bear is the single heaviest OK Goodnight song in their discography so far. That is undisputed. That is a fact. But what I am wondering about is, did that song, that The Fox and the Bird, the single, did that just tell like the story of the whole album in its music video. I think it would be really interesting if that song was either the opener or the closer, um, like to either give like a showcase of the album and the story it has, or be an epilogue to the album and the story that it's already told. And if one of those two things is in fact the truth, I will be very happy. That's pretty much all of my thoughts right now. I don't know what else to really say other than this was beautiful. Again, very different from pretty much everything I've ever heard Casey or any of the band members for that matter do. And that guitar solo from Martin. Ugh. Alrighty then, I've been Ian of Winter Dust Stuff, and we reacted to OK Goodnight's The Fox and the Bird, the single track, the title. I will be reacting to the album soon. I hope to do that, at least. So that's about it for me. If you like what you saw, leave a comment below on what you thought of the song and my reaction to it, and what you think the album is going to be like. And yeah, that's about it for me. In due time, peace. See you guys.